Hi guys, so today I'm down at my local nature reserve, the sssi down at Coalhouse Fault. So far I've had male, female marsh harrier, nice kestrel, and I've just managed to get up close to some goldfinch, and lovely little red-faced birds. Yeah, a couple of stone chats. I'm actually on the lookout for a wind chat that's been reported on the sssi down at Coalhouse, so no luck yet, but I'll keep trying. Yeah, thanks guys. So I thought I'd just sit down for 5 minutes, try and get out of the wind, just behind the seawall. So I'm just overlooking the salt marsh down at East Tilbury there, Coalhouse Fault. Yeah. Not much in the way of bird life at the moment, but you never know. It's always worth putting the time in, as they say. So no luck with the wind chat yet. You never know. It's what it is today. So this is the sssi, and there's old Father Thames there. Really nice light today. Yeah. So I'll post a video up later, just pictures I've taken really. Marsh harriers, kestrel, goldfinch, bits and pieces. Yeah, so it's been a good day. It's just windy. So, cheers.